Hey everyone, Eric with IFP Connect, and I have a really exciting Tech Tip Tuesday for you. One of the things that we talk about is a reduction in environmental impact with IFP Connect because of our huge reduction in copper consumption. And with the talk right now of additional tariffs and the fact that the majority of copper comes from somewhere other than the United States, reducing your copper consumption can not only stabilize your supply chain, but it can also allow you to put in product that holds a more consistent price. So let me demonstrate. So we were actually bored this week and decided to literally take 18 gauge 2 conductor, strip it down to just the copper, and then take Cat 6 and strip it down to just the copper. So although the wire used in category cables 23 gauge, because of the twist, we actually consume far more. So for example, when we take approximately 10 feet of category cable and we weigh it, it's about 47 grams. That same 10 feet of 18.2 is only 11. That's where we're talking about this 77% reduction in copper consumed. Now, I would just pose to you, why wouldn't you want to save 77% of the copper that you consume on every single job?